What is happening, guys? Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and a happy Thanksgiving to all of you. I really hope you're enjoying your days with your family, all that food. I hope you're kicking back on the couch and taking a look at this video right before that turkey just knocks you clear out. That's just the best, I think. That's always what I look forward to, those turkey comas. They are the best. As I'm filming this, actually, it's Wednesday, so by the time you guys look at it, it will be known as yesterday. So for me, it's the present. But we're talking about some products that come out, well, for you it's tomorrow, for me it's 2 days. Anyway, we're talking about, I'm confusing myself. We're talking about products that are coming out on Black Friday. I'm not talking about one specific brand, actually, ByVilain. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick look, demo, opinion, all that good stuff. And before we jump into that though, I do wanna quickly mention that my outfit today was provided by Trendy Butler. Remember, I am not paid by them, no matter what you guys think about brands like Trendy Butler or Movement. I am not paid by them at all. And if you've noticed, I've actually stopped showcasing a lot of other subscription brands here on the channel. I've stuck with Trendy Butler, but I've cut ties with a lot of subscription services here that I've featured in the past. And another reason why I wanted to wear this today is because tomorrow, again, we're going to this today, tomorrow, confusing stuff. I'm going to Thanksgiving tomorrow, which is today for you guys, wearing this. This is gonna be my Thanksgiving outfit because it's comfortable, it looks good, and you know, when I'm stuffing my face, I like to feel comfortable. I like to feel free. I mean, after all, that is one of the greatest things about Thanksgiving, really, to just feel comfortable and stuff your face without judgment. That is really the best part. So big thanks to Trendy Butler for sending that out. And if you guys wanna see some more information about them, I will put it down there in the description, and you can check out some of the past videos that I've done on them as well. Moving on now though to ByVilain. This is a brand that I've been following for years, and I've seen them do a lot of cool stuff on Black Friday. If you guys remember, we've had history with holiday seasons and ByVilain. They did a bunch of giveaways one year. They had the black fiber for Black Friday, and this year is especially exciting because they have 5 total releases for Black Friday. They are 5 releases, but let me clarify this real quick. They are the same product, so it's 5 releases of the same product. And I know that does sound a bit confusing, you know, why wouldn't they come up with 5 different products? But what they've done here is they've taken this new formula and they've turned it into a collector's item with 5 different collectible labels. And they've also done this in a new formula with a special edition scent. So before we talk about more details on that, let me give you guys a closer look at this new product. So now that you guys have gotten a closer look at it, what we got here is 5 different labels. I thought these are actually pretty funny. Some of them, you know, are a little adult themed, adult rated, you know, especially, yeah, I don't know if I can say these and not get censored by YouTube at this point, but I think they're good. My favorite one actually is probably this one here with a quote from Jordan Belfort, the Wolf of Wall Street. If you guys ever saw that movie, there's a quote here from him. I really enjoyed that movie, so I thought it was really awesome that they used a quote from Jordan Belfort on one of the labels. And you know, some of this stuff I think is a little bit of Tom Ford inspired, you know, some of this stuff. It's just a lot of fun, and that's really what this is about. It's supposed to be fun. Now, each one of these is a collector's item, and it's actually numbered. Like I have right here 569 out of 1,000. So there's only 1,000 of each jars made, and each one is numbered so you know which one you got. Now, what the formula is, I'm told, I actually asked, let me get my phone here. I actually specifically asked because when I first used it, I thought for sure that it was based on Silver Fox because as you can see here, it's silver in color and it's nice and slick like Silver Fox is. If you guys watched my brand showcase of ByVilain, you'll get a detailed look of all of their line products. Let me tell you what they said here. When I asked the question, I was told it was one of the final testers that was gonna be Gold Digger in the beginning, which is awesome. This is kind of a look at what they almost went with for Gold Digger. That's cool. And then to give it that silver finish, they added charcoal. I think it really gives it a little bit of a dry, kind of texturous feel to it. And actually that works us right into the demo here. Why don't we just go ahead and take a look at that right now? I'll give you guys a closer look. Here we got my freshly washed and dried hair as usual, and I'm going to apply 2 scoops of the black gold. That's the name of the product, by the way. I may have forgotten to say that. It's called black gold. And as I apply it, a couple of things that I really enjoy about it is how it goes in the hair with a nice balance of smooth and dry. It's got a bit of dryness there, of course, a bit of stickiness, but it also makes the hair a bit smooth so you can get your fingers and combs through it and still get some volume with a nice, decent shape that's backed up with the power of the product. Seriously, I think the style is solid. I'm wearing it right now, actually, and it's been about 6 hours since I applied it for that demo, so you guys can see it's still holding up solid. I wasn't going to do a full endurance test on this because, again, these are limited edition products. I don't expect them to be around past this weekend, but I thought that you guys would at least like to know, you know, do these work? What are they good for? So you don't just blindly buy things. I know, I mean, some of you that collect hair products like me, you might be interested just to pick them up just for the sake of picking up a collector's item, but what these are, it's a wax. It's a great wax. Let me get you the actual specs here. Matte finish and extreme hold. I think that that's perfect. I do think it's kind of like a drier version of Gold Digger, and not the old version of Gold Digger, but a drier version of the new version, if that makes any sense, the slicker version. That being said, there is a little bit of tug there. I did see a little bit of that tug there. And again, it has that charcoal in there to give it a little bit of dryness, give it a little texture in there. It actually kind of looks a little bit like a clay when you first apply it, which is cool because, yeah, I don't think, looking at the ingredients, yeah, there's no clay inside the ingredients. So that charcoal that they used instead of a colorant to turn it silver actually gives it off that kind of dryness and texture, which I think is awesome. The scent that they chose for this line, I think it's a little bit, it's sort of cologne-ish. It's a little bit sweet, not too strong, not overly strong. Not a lot of dark notes in there, but you know, again, my nose is so far gone at this point. It's so backwards that, you know, this could probably be ground beef and I would smell waffles and syrup. So that's how my nose operates. I'm not allergic to it though, so that's always a plus for me. When I can smell it and not choke, and that's kind of how I judge things. Other than that, wash out, rinses out with water, everything that we're used to. That charcoal doesn't stop that, doesn't impede it, doesn't stain your hands. And beyond that, I've already told you that you can get them Black Friday, but you can, I just confirmed this with ByVilain actually, you can get them in a, hard to pick up, 5-pack. Can get them in a 5-pack. What that's gonna cost is $58 US on the slikhaarshop. That's for all 5. Or you can get them individually for $14.50 US. I had to confirm that. That's just for Black Friday. Now, if there's any left after the weekend, that price will go up. So I'm being told that it's gonna go up after this weekend if there's any left. I think these are gonna fly, honestly though. So I highly recommend that you jump out there and grab them if you're interested. Hold up now, hold up, interruption, so sorry. I am terribly sorry to take you away from past Mike there. This is present Mike, this is Thursday Mike for those of you following the timeline. I know it's bouncing all over the place, but I am currently actually editing this video so that you guys can have it here today, Thursday, and I got an email from ByVilain that said that these are actually live right now. I was under the impression, you know, as Wednesday Mike, I was under the impression that Friday Mike would be able to see these at the store, and Friday all of you would be able to get them as well. But you can get these right now, and I will throw that down in the description for you guys. And I just thought it was really important to interrupt and make sure everybody knew that. So I'll send you back over to past Mike to close this video out. So that's pretty much it. That's what I think about it. I think it's awesome. I am super stoked for Slick Hair to put out stuff like this. I really enjoy it when brands in general do stuff like this. I think it's exciting. It's a lot of fun for me as a hair product lover. And of course, remember, you guys can save money at the Slick Hair shop by using the channel's codes. I love saving money, so I love helping other people save money. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed checking out these products with me. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and hit the subscribe button if you have not already. Again, happy Thanksgiving to all of you. I am super thankful for all of you in this channel. I really hope you guys enjoy your holiday with your family. And I will, of course, see you guys right here in the next video coming your way very soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.